Hi, love. Andiyan ka pa ba? I know. Baka pagod ka na today. Um, can I talk to you? Sure ka? Gusto ko lang sanang kausapin ka bago matulog. Alam mo naman ako, I always disturb you kahit gabi na. Pero, promise, saglit lang to. Well, hindi ako sure kung saglit lang talaga. Basta, alam mo naman ako, when I start sharing something, I really get talkative, especially kapag ikaw yung kausap ko. And especially this is something that I really wanna clarify din since um honestly I'd like to apologize kasi kapabasa ko lang ng mga messages mo and I know that we have different time zones and for sure baka patulog ka na but you know rest assured baby nabasa ko lahat ng mga messages mo kanina and I am so sorry if you are overthinking about the current situation that we have right now, especially that we are in a long distance relationship and ang dami mong nakikita at napapanood sa social media about long distance relationships na hindi nag-work because one of them ay nag-cheat or may secretly na minimit habang hindi nila nakakasama yung partners nila. Well, that's one thing that I want to address and that's also something that I really want to clarify because I don't want you to overthink. Because I love you and I want to give you the peace that you deserve. Ayoko na matutulog ka ng hindi kita nabibigyan ng assurance and ayokong matatapos yung araw mo na hindi natin nasa-settle kung ano yung mga dapat nating ayusin. That's why, yeah, I wanted to communicate it with you because I want you to sleep peacefully tonight. Are you sure ba na hindi ka papagod? Okay. Alright, well, first and foremost, baby, I miss you so much. I miss your scent. I miss kissing you. I miss hugging you. And I really can't wait to see you again and be with you. Well, I know that this is really kind of challenging for both of us kasi hindi kita makita. I cannot talk to you in person. I cannot express how I love you. I cannot take care of you. Hindi kita maalagaan, hindi kita mapagsilbihan because we're far from each other. But yeah, being in a long distance relationship is really challenging. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi lahat nakakayanan. May iba kasi na kapag hindi nila nakakasama yung partner nila, naghahanap sila ng pupuno ng absence ng partner nila. But yeah, that's also the reason why a lot of people are overthinking about LDR. Napapaisip sila kung baka nagloloko na yung jowa nila or baka may iba or baka mawala na lang bigla. But I believe na with us, iba tayo eh. And we're always trying our best to assure each other. I know na mahirap. In fact, walang araw na hindi ko namimiss yung presensya mo. Yung simpleng hawak ng kamay, yung yakap, yung makita ko yung ngiti mo ng hindi lang sa video call. Pero, alam mo, every sacrifice, every distance, lahat yun worth it. Kasi, ikaw yung nasa dulo ng lahat ng to. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Remember that, okay? Well, lately, ang dami kong nakikita tungkol sa online cheating. Maraming mga naghihiwalay ng mga mag-partners. And one of the factors is dahil nga sila ay nasa long distance relationship. But then again, regardless kung magkasama man sila or LDR sila, if someone is really a cheater, then Mag-cheat talaga yan because after all, cheating is a decision, right? Kaya hindi rin maiwasan na nakaka-bother minsan, di ba? Parang kahit hindi mo gustuhin, naiisip mo na paano kaya kung mangyari to sa atin? Pero, love, I wanna tell you right now na kahit anong makita ko sa internet, kahit anong issue pa yan, hindi yun magre-reflect sa atin. We will always try our best for that situation not to happen between the two of us. Okay? At hindi ako matatakot dahil kilala kita. Kilala natin ang isa't isa. And more than that, I trust you, baby. I trust you more than anyone else. Kaya kung may magtatanong sa akin kung bakit ako confident sa relationship natin, well, simple lang sagot ko. Kasi ikaw ang pinili ko. Araw-araw. At ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Palagi. Hindi ako perfect na tao. Pero one thing that I promise you, my love, hindi ko sisirain yung tiwala mo, okay? Kasi alam ko na once mawala yun, mahirap nang may balik. And I don't want that to happen. Kaya kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa ngayon, kahit minsan parang nakakabaliw yung longing, lagi mong tatandaan na wala kang kapalit sa buhay ko, okay? Wala. Ikaw lang. Hindi ako maghanap ng iba kasi alam kong lahat ng hinahanap ko nasa iyo na. Yung patience mo, yung lambing mo, yung simpleng tawanan natin kahit corny na yung joke ko. Lahat yun para sa akin priceless. At walang ibang tao na makakapantay dun. Kaya, mahal ko, kung sakaling dumating man yung araw na makaramdam ka ng doubt, please, huwag mong sarilinin, okay? Please tell me. Sabihin mo sa akin. Kasi gusto kong marinig lahat. Yung takot mo, yung doubts mo, yung struggles mo. And I promise, hindi kita i-judge. Hindi kita iwasan. Because I want to face everything with you. And I really appreciate the fact that you shared with me kanina na nag-overthink ka because of the different scenarios na napapanood mo sa internet about cheating. I appreciate dahil shinare mo siya sa akin. That's why I'm here, giving you the assurance that you deserve. Okay? Kaya, lagi mong tandaan, mahal, na wala akong balak manakit. Wala akong balak magloko. Kasi ang bala ko lang, mahalin ka, alagaan ka, at siguraduhin na kahit gaano pa kahirap ang sitwasyon, we will get through it together. Okay? So, kung makita mo ulit sa internet yung mga storya about cheating ng mga pagtataksil, isipin mo na lang na hindi tayo yon. Hindi tayo sila. We're different. Kasi yung pagmamahal natin, totoo. Diba? At tayo mismo yung magpapatunay na being in a long-distance relationship is possible if both people are willing. Right? So, yeah. Mahal, thank you ah. Kasi kahit malayo tayo, ramdam ko lagi yung effort mo, yung oras mo, yung pagtawag mo, yung simpleng messages mo na good morning or ingat ka. At sa totoo lang, malaking bagay talaga yun. Nakakapagpatibay yun ang loob ko. Hindi ko alam kung gaano pa tayo katagal na maghihintay bago tayo magkasama ulit physically. Pero alam ko na it will all be worth it. Kasi ikaw yung hinihintay ko eh. Ikaw na yan eh. So, tonight, bago ka matulog, I want you to close your eyes and just feel my words. Imaginein mo na lang na andito ako sa tabi mo, hawak ko yung kamay mo, habang sinasabi ko sa'yo na wala kang dapat ikatakot. Wala kang dapat ipagduda. Kasi ikaw lang ang akin at ako lang ang iyo. Okay? Good night, my love. Sleep well. And always remember, mahal na mahal kita.